Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your deleted games on your Xbox Series X. So if you accidentally download something, so let's go to The Sims 4, for example, and uninstall this and delete it. Now, if you want to get this back on your Xbox, we need to press the Xbox button, go to My Games and Apps, and go to See All. And then Games right here, this is everything on our Xbox installed currently. We want to go down to Full Library. Then select all games on the top or just go to Owned Games or wherever. And then we can go down and we should be able to find all the games on our account. So here's Sims 4 again. I can just go to Install and this will place it back onto my Xbox. So the full library is what you want to go to. And you can see everything you ever purchased on your Xbox. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.